The air pressure should be released from the marker for proper use. Prior to first use, start by removing the cap and holding the marker in the vertical position. Press the nib down 2 to 3 times to release the pressure. Replace the cap and shake well several times. Be sure to listen for the metal balls moving in the barrel. If you do not hear them, tap the bottom of the marker firmly on a hard surface to release. Shake again. To activate the marker, remove the cap and press the nib down slowly several times until the paint flows into the tip. Repeat until the nib fills with paint. When the nib is saturated with paint, the marker is ready to use. Replace the cap firmly and always store Arro-mark paint markers horizontally.